Okay, so here's another video. Today is, I don't know, April 6th or 7th or something. Today is maybe April 6th or 7th. I think 6th. I think today's April 6th. Monday, April 6th. It's Easter Monday. Um, so I guess I just want to give you a quick update on all this stuff. So where are we? So no more medication. So medication's gone. The nerve pain is completely out. The nerve pain's completely gone. I still can't function, obviously, like I want to 100%. Back pain pretty much is gone too. Some other weird things have been happening though. So for instance, I have, and I guess maybe it's because I've been so stagnant for so long, but I have like this endless amounts of soreness in my ass and my legs. Like it's like whenever you touch it, it's almost like it's sore. Like my entire glute area, right? The entire glute area and my hamstrings. It just feels like it's sore all the time. Not particularly sure why. Wait, hold on. He's gonna about to attack me. Watch Flex while I'm talking. So not particularly. Get the bird, Flex. Get the bird. Get the bird. Get the bird. Oh, get the bird. Yeah, I wish I could be limited like this. So I don't know why, but I'm like super sore. My glute area and like my hamstring area. Can't really tell. No more medication. And also I stopped taking the medication early because some of the anti-inflammatories like Dolabid were giving me this crazy inflammation in my legs. I was getting inflammation anyway, like almost like water retention, but I mean it was really like exacerbated by the Dolabid. So I just kind of stopped taking all meds. I wore if you do wind up getting like maybe like edema, or you wind up getting like a swollen leg, I would just put a compression pants on, compression sock on, and it's all good. So that's it really. I mean, there's nothing. It's just really slow getting back. I was able to do a chin up I did some chin ups the other day. It wasn't back pain. It was just the fact that I've been not moving for 6 months. So I did a set of 7, and then I did 3 more sets of 6. Remember, I also had a lot of other surgeries too. I don't know if I said it on here because I really wanted to keep this focused only on the back, but I also had my tricep rebuilt. I'm getting my shoulder done on April 20th. So the injury, the fall I had took a lot with it. I broke a lot of things in one shot. So I'm just kind of dealing with that. I almost feel like I'm a baby again, and I'm really trying to get all my energy and strength back again. And it's just taking a very long time. It's taking longer than I thought. I am 42 years old too, right? So I'm over 40. So I really got to pay attention to that. But look, again, great surgery. Can't complain at all about it. I'm going to go for I'm trying to get in touch with the doctor today to maybe set up a follow-up appointment. Here comes everybody for the dogs. All right, that's it for now. Long story short, everything's all good. Unusual pain in my glutes and my hamstrings. Unusual soreness. I don't really understand where it comes from. No pain in the back. Body's just kind of getting used to working out, moving around again. I almost feel like a baby. I'm starting all over again. No more meds. Stop taking medication because of the inflammation in my legs and the swelling legs. But other than that, it's whatever. I'm old. It's just taking longer. But I'm in the gym again, and I have surgery coming up on the 20th, so we'll see what happens there. All right, I'll keep you guys posted.